Power problem, this panel board. See here, in this coil down, this one, problem is this wire. We solved this, find this complaint and rectified. This is power board panel. This is power cable. Locked. This is distribute to power panel board here. Screen back side. These are DC power cables, 2 pins. We connected here power panel. See, one power panel connected and another power panel connected. DC supply. This is DC supply. This is DC supply for panel. Both are screen. Complaint is solved. See here, signal is working, the screen is on. Okay, perfect working. Just fuse in this problem panel board. Now TV is working.